Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Real quick reminder before we get started, please like, subscribe, and share the channel with someone you think would enjoy our content. That all really helps the channel out. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 94. If we start with this box, we're missing 2, 4, and 6. We've got a 6 here and a 4 here, so this is our 2. That 4 makes this our 6, 4. For this top row now, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing a 4. For this column, we're missing 2, 7, and 8. We've got 7 and 8 here, so this is our 2. 7 here, so 8, 7. For this column, we're missing 2 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 2, 4. For this column, we're missing 3 and 6. We've got a 3 here, so 6, 3. For this box now, we're missing a 9. For this box, we're missing 1, 3, and 8. We've got 3 and 8 here, so this is our 1. I don't see any other help. So 3, 8, 3, 8. For this box, we're missing 2, 5, and 6. We've got 5 and 6 here, so this is our 2. 5 here, so 6, 5. For this column now, we're missing 2, 8, and 9. We've got 2 and 8 here, so this is our 9. 2 here, so 8, 2. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 3. We've got a 3 here, so 1, 3. For this row now, we're missing 2 and 5. And I don't see any help. So 2, 5, 2, 5. For this row, we're missing 1, 4, and 6. We've got 1 and 6 here, so this is our 4. 6 here, so 1, 6. For this row, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got the 8 here. So 3, 8, and that makes this our 3. For this row, we're missing 4 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 4, 8. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 2 here, so 5, 2. That 2 makes this our 5, 2. For this row now, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 7 here, so 9, 7. For this row, we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 4, 5. For this box now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing a 6. And for this box, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 4 and 9. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.